Hello, this is Patrick from XPression, and I want to show you a new function in XPression 6.2 and higher is the ability to create preview objects. I'm working within a scene which is my lower third, and I have a virtual output here. You can see I have my lower third. Well, as an operator, I would know what that is, but when the journalists see this on screen, they normally will see it with a bug and a lower third, and the bug is almost always there. Well, we want to kind of put this in the right perspective for them. So we want to make a template that has the bug in it so that they see it when they're working, for example, in the MOS workflow. I'm going to go ahead and put my lower third on my viewport, and then I'm going to add a quad. And on that quad, the material I'm going to put in, I grabbed a still frame of the bug. So right now it looks like what it's supposed to look like, and that's great, but it's really just a still image. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to choose this and mark it preview bug. And now I'm going to go over and grab another object out of the object library. I'm going to grab a layer object. And I'm going to rename that, just so that I know what it is, preview item. Items in this case. Now I'm going to take my preview bug and I'm going to put it inside the preview items. And treat that preview items almost like a folder. So I'm going to go to preview items, I'm going to select it, and on the rendering tab, there's a new box labeled preview, and in it there's a checkbox, render layer in preview only. I'm going to select that. Now, I've put all that together. I'm going to come over to sequence, and I'm going to take that template, or scene, and I'm going to put that scene into my sequencer. And you can see the preview image down here shows that I've got a bug on it, and I see my lower third. If I double click it to take it on air, look what happens on my virtual output. All I see is the lower third. There's no bug in it, but on preview there's a bug. I didn't have to go put it to any scenes or anything else. It's now just a preview image, and this will work all the way through into my MOS functionality inside the ActiveX plugin for XPression News as well. So this is just a great way to do it, and you can put a bunch of these in the same scene. It doesn't matter. You can have a background image, you can have this as a text layer, it can be whatever, but this is the way that you get yourself a preview image.